Hey beauties! Who doesn't dream of longer, thicker lashes, right? But here's the thing. Why waste your hard-earned cash on expensive lash serums when you can achieve the same results naturally and for a fraction of the cost? Today, I'm going to share some super easy, natural ways to get the lashes of your dreams. Best part? You've probably already got everything you need right at home. Let's get started. Natural remedies to grow thicker, longer lashes. Now, you might be thinking, what are these magical natural remedies? No worries, I've got you covered. We're talking about oils and gels that you can apply right at home, and trust me, they work. Here's how to use them, and then I'll dive into the benefits of each one. Step 1. Grab a clean mascara wand or cotton swab, something you can easily dip into the oil. Step 2. Gently swipe it on your lashes, starting from the roots and working your way to the tips, just like applying mascara. Step 3. Leave it on overnight, yes, while you sleep, and rinse it off in the morning with water or your usual face wash. Easy, right? Castor oil. Let's start with castor oil. It's full of ricinoleic acid, which strengthens your lash follicles and helps them grow thicker. Pro tip, don't go overboard, just a tiny bit will do, because it's super thick. And always choose cold-pressed castor oil for the best results. Coconut oil. Next is coconut oil. It's packed with fatty acids and vitamin E, which hydrate and protect your lashes from breakage. It's much lighter than castor oil, so if you want something that feels less heavy on your lashes, this is a great option. Plus, it has antimicrobial properties, so it's totally safe for the delicate skin around your eyes. Aloe vera gel. Last but not least, aloe vera gel. This one's super soothing, packed with vitamins, and helps nourish your lashes for healthy growth. If you want an extra moisture boost, try mixing aloe vera with a little coconut oil for maximum hydration. But how do you know which one to choose? Here's the deal. If you want thicker lashes, go for castor oil. If you need moisturizing and protection from lash breakage, choose coconut oil. If you prefer a light, soothing treatment, aloe vera gel is your best bet, especially if you have sensitive skin. Daily lash care routine. Now, let's talk about a simple daily routine. Clean your lashes every night, apply your oil, and boom, you're done. Just stay consistent, and remember, it's a quick routine that's easy to stick with. Lash brushing. Another easy trick to boost lash growth is brushing your lashes with a clean spoolie. It's like a little massage for your lashes, stimulating the roots and encouraging growth. Just brush them gently every day. It's a super simple step that can make a difference. Quick dietary tips. What you eat also plays a big part in lash health. Make sure you're eating foods rich in biotin and vitamin E, like nuts, eggs, and avocados. They help promote hair growth, including your lashes. Myths versus reality. Okay, let's bust a few myths. You've probably heard that cutting your lashes will make them grow faster. Total myth. And let's talk about vaseline. It's pretty popular for lashes, but here's the thing. While it can make your lashes feel moisturized, it can also clog pores and cause irritation or infections, especially if it gets into your eyes. So, it's not ideal for everyone, and honestly, there are much better options out there that are safer and more effective. Stick to the oils I mentioned earlier for better results. Things to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over a few things to avoid when you're growing your lashes. Rubbing or pulling on your lashes. This can cause breakage and slow down the growth process, so be gentle. Using mascara or eyelash curlers too often. These can weaken your lashes, especially if you don't remove them properly. Using heavy false lashes. These can stress out your natural lashes, causing them to break or fall out. Using old mascara, especially waterproof mascara. Waterproof formulas can be tough to remove and may cause your lashes to become brittle if used regularly. Using harsh makeup removers. Stick to gentle, oil-based removers to avoid damaging your lashes. Now, I want to know, which oil are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want longer lashes too. Remember, it's all about being consistent. Stick with it for at least a month, and you'll start to see those gorgeous lashes grow. See you next time. Bye.